Up the other part. Let's try to drive with the... too far. Okay. Yeah, I'm so close to her. Stay there, bud. Stay there, bud. Stay there, bud. Stay there. Okay, thank you. I mean, 18728 is nothing to, like, nothing to be angry about. I mean, it's a nice time still. Ah, too close. Ah, sliding so much today. You gotta warm these tires up, huh? Or just, yeah, I just gotta control it better. Oh, we're sliding so much. I've said I'm sliding too much like a million times in this race already. All right. On this race is what I'm going to predict. That one didn't feel too bad. I wonder how that one's going to be. There's gonna be a lot of groaning from me on this. Oh, we're still sliding so much. Why is the seat so bad? The seat is killing me. Oh boy, okay, fine. Fine. Man, that one wasn't better? Jeez. That time felt so good. Oh, we're still sliding. We're still sliding. Good. Ah, jeez. Oh! Yep, we're still sliding. We just gotta warm them up a little bit. Oh, I'm so close. I need to work on that part. Like, that part's good, but I need to straighten out quicker. Oh man, this lap feels so good. I hope that. Oh boy, we're sliding now, huh? I think it's part of the issue. Oh god, yeah, controlling the slide is hard. Oh yeah, that was really nice. That felt really good, but I messed. Man, that's a really good time though. Yeah, you like, as long as you like don't slide, like this time is great. Like this card is great. We got some breathing room. Let's see what we can do. Ah, we're still sliding. We need to get rid of that slide if we're gonna have a chance. The fastest time. Oh, we got that slide too. Oh my gosh, we're sliding so much. We're sliding there. We are being trash right now. That's first race. It's okay. Feels like my seat's going back. There goes my seat again. Too far. But that's the key to the speed. I need to get rid of the sliding, and that's completely on me. That one felt pretty good. Hopefully that was good. I really feel like I can hit an 18.5 in this thing if I just like put it all together. But that's the hard part, is putting it together, because that's like, it's close to like perfect. God, there goes the seat.